All right, so you see we ran up, took a form of buy side over here with that rally up. I was watching to see if they would be overzealous and want to take it up into the premium wick consequent encroachment. You watch that actually be marked out in this morning's live stream. As a reminder, the live stream is silent by choice because I was talking to my son, and I'm not obligated to let you hear everything I say to my son. So anyway, we traded up into this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, which is a inversion fair value gap. Okay, so I know if I color code something, some of you would right away jump on that. So I kept it neutral, and we worked outside of the range a little bit in here, which is what I was waiting to see if it'll come back down outside of the range, which it does there. And then I started putting in more positions. The sell side here that I marked as minor sell side and the middle of the opening range gap, those were the two draws on the downside. We already worked the upside initially, so opening range would deliver first 30 minutes seeking sell side, and then we went back up into the range here. This, I color coded it, so I wanted you to see it be treated as inversion. You can see it being utilized over here, but after the morning session has already booked and treated down to a discount. So you can see all that minor sell side's been taken, and we're repricing to that premium with consequent encouragement right there. It's probably random.